Hope everybody's doing well. I went to the store and bought the DJI Pocket 2 Created Combo. I'm going to open it up and share with you what's inside. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for future videos that will be coming out. Okay, so this is what that app looks like on your phone. Now I've put this on the front because you have to put this on the front of the DJI Pocket 2 so you can plug it into the bottom of your phone. Make sure the Wi-Fi on your phone is on so it can connect. Then this has to be on. Then we're going to come over here, see where it says device. Takes some getting used to, just to let you know. Okay, so the DJI Pocket 2 has to be on when you plug it into your phone. You have to make sure that you use this piece on here. And then once you've plugged it in, I made a couple videos I want to show you. Let's see this one. Wanted to make this quick little video on the DJI Pocket 2 so you can see what was in the box. It's just a test video on it. Okay, that's the first one. Here's another one. So I wanted to make this quick little video on the DJI Pocket 2 so you can see what the video looks like. Just a quick little video to show you what it looks like here. What's in the box. So overall, I do like it. I'm still learning how to use it because it's not really something that you could just buy it and then within 2 minutes you know how to use it. So I'm just letting you know this. The book, however, was not very helpful regarding explaining how to use it. The only really thing on here is shows you about plugging it into your phone so you could use the app for viewing and editing the videos. I did have to Google a few things to learn how to use certain things on it. So it's basically a learning process. I'm still learning how to use it, but I just wanted to show you what was in the box and the few little things that I've learned already how to do. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Have any comments, please leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please thinking about subscribing to my channel. And I hope if you enjoyed watching the video. Enjoy the rest of your day.